In this video, I'm going to review these knife display racks that you see there. Alright, it's the early morning here. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be reviewing this Crosman Shockwave in 22. Blade HQ, yeah, knife addict. My name is We All Juggle Knives. I've been sober for 1 minute. I haven't bought a knife in that minute yet. You might need these racks, right? You want to display your knives? These racks are not going to live on that bench because I want to be able to sit on that bench. The racks are most likely going to be on that top shelf there. Alright, that's my YouTube award. So each piece comes with a protective film that you have to scrape off. They come with a little scraper tool that has no blade, but it scrapes that off. Right, and these come in pieces, so you're going to need a screwdriver like this. And it can hold fairly large knives, right? Those are XL sized folders. Now, these are around $20, but they're often on sale for like $15 or even less sometimes. I'll include a link to US Amazon if you want these. Alright, here are the racks all filled up. So, we've got all the Voyager XLs and an Espada. And over here we have Cold Steel Spartan, Recon 1 XL. We have a Talwar folder of the largest size. We have one of the Raja series. And we have two of the holdouts. And over here we have a Luzon, we have counterpoints, and we have 3 different Ti-lites, including the Lynn Thompson signature Ti-lite. Alright, as promised, I'm going to tell you about that bench because it's just another storage solution if you have a lot of gear that you need to store. They're calling it an ottoman. I just call it a bench because it just looks like a bench to me. This comes off. You see that? So you got a ton of storage, right? A ton of storage. Now that divider, you can remove that. But it just makes it more rigid. But if you have something long like machetes that you want to put in there, you can remove that. Right, so that's a very good storage solution, I'd say. Yeah, so these come in different sizes, like different lengths, different heights. But this one was $45. I got it on US Amazon, so I'll include a link to that if it's still there. Suddenly you want some Coke, don't you? Yeah, suddenly you want some Coca-Cola. We all juggle knives. And while I'm here, I might as well include a link to the pegboard that I use. It's pretty handy. Those are my Eskrima sticks. Alright, I hope this has been useful. I think it'll be very useful because, as I said, I have a lot of viewers that are basically steel addicts and they always need storage solutions. Oh, by the way, YouTube, this is the time in the video where I remind you that if you are a troubled loner, if you love weapons, if you believe in crazy concepts like self-defense and freedom, go ahead and leave me a comment. It does help with the engagement, which in turn helps circulate the videos so that new people just like you can find the channel. So I appreciate all who take the time to leave a comment.